Hi again, this is going to be just a recorded video today, not a live stream. Anyway, this is today, Hurricane Ida to hit Gulf Coast on Sunday as possible category 4 storm. It could bring heavy rainfall, catastrophic winds, flash flooding and life-threatening storm surge to the area. New Orleans mayor says on Saturday that residents who are planning to evacuate should do so now. President Biden approves a federal emergency declaration for Louisiana ahead of the storm. Now, as you know, my position is very straightforward on this. All these extreme weather events are done by weather control technology. HAARP, if you want to say HAARP, but they are, because they exist. There's been documentaries about it, there's been books about it. I mean, I'm sure I've showed videos in the past. They happen. Hurricane Ida in the prime decipher equals 30 feet like masonry. So you have to wonder why they would call it Hurricane Ida. Now also in these other ciphers here, E equals 47. 47 like government and agent. 44 like kill, because it's going to cause a lot of death. Well, I don't say a lot of deaths, but it will cause some deaths. And English Sumerian equals 666. The Christian view being that it's the number of the beast, 666. 213, which in satanic cipher is death, 213. And also weather control in English Extended 132 is a reflection of 213. Hurricane Ida. So what you got here, weather control in English Extended equals 132, reflection of Hurricane Ida, which is 213. So what I'm showing you is that weather control is behind this hurricane, because the numbers match, even though they're not exactly the same numbers are being used. 132, reflection of 213. Weather control and Hurricane Ida. And weather control 177 and 201, like the Jesuit order, which is 177 and 201 and 69. And 213, as we mentioned before, in satanic cipher is death. '58 numerology, like Freemasonry. And given that today is the 29th of August, which is 298, I thought, should I type in 2? I've been starting to slowly get the hang of using the prime cipher. So I'd have 298. This is a search I got. Hurricane is 298. The word scripted is also 298. Gematria code 298, scripted 298, Hurricane 298. The name of the Hurricane Ida is 56. Society of Jesus is also 56. Got it. Okay. Oh, let me just put that back in. Society of Jesus is 56. Gematria code is 56. Ida is 56. Using trigonal cipher, Ida is 56. So again, this is perfectly scripted. The name is, I mean, I used to ask the question, why do they have these woman names, these hurricanes every time that happens? Like Hurricane Katrina, Hurricane Wilma, why do they have names? But now I know why. Because it's done by the numbers. That's why. Ida's 56, Society of Jesus 56, Gematria code 56. I guess what I'm getting at is quite simple. these are scripted events using weather technology to have these weather events happen. So there you have it. That's the Hurricane Ida. Just a little note on the Prime cipher. Again, this is what I did. Prime cipher, I think. I mean, look at this. Masonic Rite 394, like rigged tennis 394. So we know who's rigging professional sports, and it shows right here that I wrote up rigged tennis, and it has a matching value of Masonic Rite, so we know it's rigged tennis. Every other sport's rigged. Then Masonry's 358. Then I wrote rigged boxing, which is also 358. So again, the Jesuits, who control Freemasonry, are rigging professional sports, boxing, tennis included, and other sports. The Jesuit Order 562, like World Cup soccer. Even though in England we call it football, other countries say soccer. So Jesuit Order 562, World Cup soccer 562. So again, they rigged the World Cup. Every World Cup's been rigged since the beginning. So that's the conclusion for today. See you soon.